Buffalo sky, Butterbird burger. Haven't had one, you must have heard of her. Lather me up in that Butterbird sauce. Watch me slide down the hill to my Uncle Phil with Dr. Phil. Oh, what's this? You know that sound? Slobberin, my knobberin. Oh yeah, sucking on my uncle, never felt so good. Slobbering on those balls never seemed so tall. There's nothing gay about making love to my uncle. I am of age and this is perfectly legal. Buffalo sky, Butterbird burger. I wish I'd never heard of her. I knew her well. I wish I didn't. Why?